Hi, my name is Vic Nair, and I'm the Director of Partnerships at Pitchly. I'm excited to show you how Pitchly generates live, on-demand content accessible from UpSlide. Historically, generating content has been a challenge for teams and enterprise businesses. With hundreds of data points and assets to sift through and format, creating documents can be a tedious, error-prone process. Pitchly enables users to create high-value pitch assets, such as tombstones, bios, case studies, and more, by connecting to existing data sources or importing data that might be stored in spreadsheets, your CRM, a SQL database, and other data silos. With our custom connector to UpSlide, Pitchly content is available live in UpSlide to search, select, insert, and edit in PowerPoint and other Microsoft Office applications. Pitchly is the first company to achieve live generated content, which typically involves hours of creating, finding, selecting, sorting, and formatting assets. Pitchly content is always up to date from source data, automatically generates new content for new data being added, and is designed using a live template, which users can change as their brand or requirements evolve. Together, Pitchly and UpSlide have made it quicker and more efficient to combine quality assured data and create brand compliant materials. Pitchly takes your data and inserts it into custom templates which can be created for any repetitive, information-heavy content. Displayed is an example of an investment banking style tombstones, bios, and case studies. However, we also work with law firms, accounting firms, and many other organizations. Here are the 5 easy steps to create meaningful content using Pitchly and UpSlide. What we are looking at is the Pitchly web app. And here you can see tombstones and assets that are created by pulling data from relevant data sources such as the CRM, spreadsheets, FactSet, Snowflake, and the like. Within PowerPoint, you can access these assets from the UpSlide add-in. You have the ability to select your approved template from UpSlide and navigate to the Pitchly connector. As you can see, data is being loaded live via the Pitchly API to showcase tombstones in the database. I can now select and insert data within PowerPoint. Since the content is live, as data is updated from the source, Pitchly will reflect these updates and present it here. This allows for cross-team collaboration as it maintains consistent templates and data across all users of the firm, such as IT, marketing, analysts, business development, managing directors, leadership, and more. Within UpSlide, you also have the ability to drill down and search through data based on information tied to the record, even if it is not displayed in the image. As an example, if I select data from the M&A team, I have the ability to filter through and generate that live on-demand content here, which is specifically tied to M&A. Now, let's say I wanted to place additional filters such as the year. I have the ability to do that directly from within PowerPoint. And I could select all of these and insert it dynamically into PowerPoint via the add-in. This magic is possible through Pitchly's data enablement platform. With the data enablement platform, you have the ability to bring in your various data sets that could be between various data silos such as your CRM or SQL Server to bring it into one centralized location. From here, you bring in the fields that are of most value to you, and this allows you to take these fields and bring it into UpSlide's brand compliant templates, so you have the ability to create on-demand dynamic content. On average, users save 93% of the time they spend chasing down data, between finding the right data source, selecting, copying, pasting, formatting, and exporting. Thank you for your interest in Pitchly and UpSlide, and our team looks forward to showing you a customized demo based on your specific use cases. To learn more, please contact your UpSlide representative. Thank you.